Measure. To find the size, amount, or length of something. I measured my feet for new shoes. He used a ruler to measure the paper. Slap. To hit with the palm of the hand or a flat object. The mother told her son not to slap his brother. He slapped the mosquito on his arm. Hug. To hold someone close with your arms. He gave his mom a big hug. They hugged each other to say goodbye. Nap. A short sleep, usually during the day. I took a nap after lunch. She likes to nap on the couch. Yell. To shout loudly because you are angry or excited. The kids yelled while playing in the park. Don't yell at your brother. Luggage. Bags or suitcases used to carry things when traveling. I need to pack my luggage. She carries her luggage to the airport. Bully. A person who hurts or frightens someone. He tries to bully his classmates. No one should ever bully anyone. Nasty. Something very dirty or unpleasant. The water in the pool is nasty. I don't like that nasty smell. Hurry. To do something quickly. She is in a hurry to finish her homework. I need to hurry to catch the bus. Damp. A little wet. The towel is damp after the shower. Don't sit on the damp chair. Trim. To cut something to make it neat or shorter. He trims the grass every weekend. Please trim the paper to fit the frame.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!